In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo account permanently. Before we begin, remember that account deletion is final after a short grace period, so we'll prepare carefully to avoid losing anything important or getting locked out of other services. First, download and save your Yahoo data. This includes your emails and contacts. In your Yahoo settings, look for the option to download or export your data. Exports can take time depending on how much you have, so start this step early and wait for the download to finish. Save the archive somewhere safe, and make sure you can open it. For contacts, export a standard file type you can import into your new email provider. If you use Yahoo Mail folders to organize information, double-check that those messages are included in your export. If you use Flickr with your Yahoo ID, download your photos and videos separately from Flickr.com. Sign in there and use Flickr's download tools to grab full resolution copies. Verify your albums and tags are preserved or make a note of them so you can rebuild your organization later if needed. Next, update accounts that use your Yahoo address. Many apps, shops, banks, and social networks may be tied to that email. Sign into those services and change the contact email to your new address so you don't lose access or miss verification codes. While you're at it, cancel any services you no longer need that are linked to your Yahoo email. A quick way to find accounts is to search your inbox for words like verification, receipt, or welcome. Now, notify your contacts. Send a brief message letting people know your new email and that the Yahoo address will be retired. Update your email signature to include the new address. If you still receive mail in Yahoo before deletion, consider setting an auto-reply that politely redirects senders to the new email. Keep it short and include an end date so people know when the old address will stop working. When you're ready to delete, open a browser and go to the official Yahoo account termination page, then sign in. Read the warnings carefully. Follow the prompts by selecting Continue deleting my account, and then confirm with Yes, delete this account. You'll be signed out when it's submitted. Yahoo holds your account in a deactivated state for about 30 days, and longer in some countries. If you change your mind during that time, sign in to reactivate. After the grace period ends, the account is permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.